Now let's see how we do a multiple day event. Click New Event. This is going to be a multiple day event. And again, we'll just select things that kind of make sense for our event, conference, or convention. Now again, this is a multiple day event. Okay, and if you remember from the last one, this large photo is the event page photo. This smaller one is the thumbnail that goes on the MainGate site if you make it public. Slide down here. I'm going to set up our venue. My venue. 1, 2, 3, 4 Main Street. My town. Okay, and again here we can show a map if we want to show the map of the venue on the event screen. I'm going to uncheck it because this isn't a real address, but you can check it of course when you do a real one. Now, here's how you do a multiple day event. If your event is, let's say, 3 days long, but the hours are the same each day, you would use this daily button. In other words, we click daily. Let's say the hours are 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. every day from September 28th through September 30th. So this is Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Every day is 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. And just like the other times, you can put a number in here if you want to have a ticket cap shut off. But let's say, and then we would just hit save and close. So just with that one little setup, we've got all 3 occurrences of this event from Friday, September 28th to Sunday, September 30th from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. If the hours are all the same, that's all there is to it. You would just select your time zone and move on. But let's say the hours are different. We're going to take this one off. Let's say that we have different hours for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. In that case, we're going to do 3 separate daily events. So instead of choosing daily, we're going to do 3 one-time events. So we're going to click one time, select the first day, just like we did on the single day setup. Let's say the first day is, what did we say, 10 to 5? Okay. We're all done there. Let's add the one for Saturday. So now we just select our Saturday date. Let's say the hours for it are, let's see, a little earlier, 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. And again, we can put a number of tickets here if you want. Let's go ahead and do that just so we can see things working later. In fact, this will give you an example. If you want to change anything on these things you've already done, you just click that and make the change. Let's say this day has fewer tickets or fewer hours, so we can't get as many people crammed in there. Let's say 250. So now we've got Friday the 28th from 10 to 5. It's a one-time event with 250 tickets. Saturday from 8 to 9. And Sunday. Just select Sunday's date. Let's say for Sunday they still open early, but they close at 3. No reason, just so it's different. There we go. So now on our one event page, it'll show 3 separate days with 3 separate times and 3 different ticket availabilities. So now we create our ticket types. We're going to do this just like we did in the other one. You put your ticket type name. In this case, it'll be a general admission with whatever description it is. In this case, I use general admission perks. But you can put a big description in here if you like, showing exactly what comes with the ticket and that kind of thing. If it's a free ticket, you click here. If it's a paid ticket, you click there. This ticket is $10. Now, even if you don't have a sales tax, you still want to enter a 0. You have to have something in this field. And if you don't and you hit save, it'll say, hey, you need to have something in here. So it'll remind you, but you can put in whatever your sales tax is. It already knows it's going to be a percentage, so you're done. In this case, we're going to do no sales tax, but just know that you have to have something in that field. We're going to start ticket sales now. We're going to end them on the end day of the sale when the sale closes, which I think we said was, what did we say, 5? But if you wanted to have the tickets end before the sale starts, you can do that too. You can have it end a week before it starts. You can have this ticket sales end whenever you want. And now this area here determines what we do about our fees. You can either absorb the MainGate fee, you can pass the fee on to the customer, or let's say you want to add a little bit of a fee to maybe cover credit card processing or something. So you'd want to take whatever the MainGate fee is and add something to it and put that number here. So let's say we're going to do $2. We save and we close. And that's it. We created our first ticket. Now, let's say we've got some other kinds of tickets, but we don't want to have to plug in all the fees and all that good stuff in here. Just duplicate this ticket and it'll create a copy of the ticket where all you do is change the parts of the ticket that are different. So in this case, it's a VIP ticket with VIP perks. It's a paid ticket still. In this case, it's $20. We're still going to have the other fee added, no tax. All this stuff is the same. Save and close. And just that quickly, we've got another ticket that's completely different from the first, all set up. Now let's say we have a senior discount ticket. So with the seniors ticket, they still get general admission perks. Again, you can change the descriptions if you like. It's a paid ticket. It's a little cheaper. Still, all the other fees are the same. Save and close. So just like that, we've got all 3 of the tickets that we're going to create. And, wasn't hard at all. So now here we've got our discount section. Now these are cart discounts for the entire order. So if you, as you can see here, we have a senior discount here also, but that would give a discount for the entire order, not just for the specific ticket. So if you have the options for regular adults and then seniors are getting a discount and you don't want to discount the entire order, just create that ticket type here like we just did. Here you can create different tickets for the entire order. You can make up your own ticket name if you like, and you can do group discounts. Again, this will be a discount off the entire order. So you would check group discount. Here we tell it what number we want the threshold to be. We're going to say if 10 people all buy tickets, that's where the threshold begins, and they'll get 15% off of their ticket. Here's where you would enter your social media info. Just copy and paste the URLs here and check the box if you want it to show up on the page. Pretty simple. And lastly, the status. If you're not quite ready to post it, you can save the event and it'll show as pending in your My Events, and you can always come back and edit it. If you're ready to publish it, you can either take it public or private. If you save the event as published, it'll show up on the Find Events page on MainGate tickets. If you have it as private, you'll get a link to it that you can send out to whoever you like, whether it's on Facebook or email or whatever the case may be. In this case, we're going to keep it as private. And we're all set. So now we've got our single type event and our multiple day event, and we're all done.